In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a blog template in the Design Manager in HubSpot. Editing your blog template is a vital step in customizing your website to match your brand's unique style and voice. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot's main interface. Once you're there, head over to the top menu and find the section labeled Content. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Design Manager. This is where all your website's design files are housed and where you can make changes to your templates. If you're new to HubSpot, Design Manager is the hub for anything related to the look and feel of your site, and it's where you'll find the tools you need to edit your blog. Once you're in the Design Manager, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is known as the File Finder. It's essentially a directory of all the folders and files associated with your website. Here, you'll look for a folder named Custom, or perhaps a folder with your specific theme's name, depending on how your site's files are organized. This folder contains all the custom designs and templates that you can modify to suit your needs. Within this folder, you're searching for a file that ends with .html or is specifically labeled as a blog post or blog listing template. These files are the backbone of your blog structure. They dictate how your blog posts are displayed and formatted on your site. It's important to select the correct file, as this will ensure the changes you make will apply to the right part of your website. Once you've found your blog template file, click to open it. In the editor, you'll see the HTML code that makes up your blog's template. If you're familiar with HTML, you can directly edit the code to change the layout, add elements, or customize the styling. However, if you're not comfortable with coding, HubSpot's Design Manager also offers a visual editor that allows you to make changes more intuitively. Remember, any changes you make here will be reflected across all the blog posts associated with this template. So if you're testing something new, it's a good idea to preview your changes before publishing. HubSpot provides a preview function that lets you see how your edits will look on the live site without making them public right away. Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your work. There's nothing worse than spending time customizing your template only to lose your changes because you forgot to hit save. HubSpot's interface typically prompts you to save when you navigate away from a page, but it's always a good habit to save regularly as you make edits. Editing your blog template in HubSpot's Design Manager can be a powerful way to ensure your blog looks polished and professional. With just a few steps, you can tailor your blog's design to better fit your brand's identity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.